Bruh.
Putting in these niggas over here with the weeds.
Really, nigga?
Can't even warn them, boy. Yeah, get right.
Benny, who you talking to?
What's happening, man? We back, man. You know, it's been a couple of weeks. The YZ pump had broke, but the pump didn't break. First the side case broke after I did the rebuild, you know, so I was tight. Rolled the doors running, the rebuild was great, you know what I'm saying? But after that, the side case cracked, you know what I'm saying? This gear head came off right here. This gear came off, boom, slapped the case, it cracked. So we got the new case as you seen, threw them on them. Then my bearings and my seals and my propeller, the seals and stuff was in right. But as I put the old propeller in to the new case, it was like this. So what I did was, I know you guys probably couldn't tell, but my rims, man, they used to be just like scratchy. You know what I'm saying? Cause these were originally like chrome, you know what I'm saying? Then whoever I brought them from had them dipped, or he painted them himself, whatever. Yes, sir. So this the next morning. Y'all can see it a little better wind outside, but yeah, man. See how I'm, oh. Yes, sir. So we're going around right now. I'm about to goddamn have it on both sides. And the part's supposed to be here in a minute. I'm looking out that window just waiting. So let's see. Just get them on how you want. Line it up nice and even. And you gotta have a heat gun now for this. Heat it up and basically just melt to the Yes, sir. Let's see what that is. So while we waiting for the parts to come in for my, you know, side casing, pump, all that, I had ordered brand new radiators. Those guys just hit. I forgot. I didn't even know what it was. Came outside and seen it. So we finna, oh come on now.
Bruh.
Goddamn did the fence already, man. Come on. And I'm still waiting. This is what happened. My radiator. My pump got lost in the mail. It got all the way to Atlanta and got lost in the mail. Man, guess what? Man, my order got lost in the mail. It's called Partzilla. Partzilla tells me, yes, we have seen that it hasn't been scanned in a couple of days, so it's said it lost. We're just gonna send you another one.
Do it!
Whatever. So it's on the way, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So everything right there. Supposed to be here Monday. I just checked it. That thing is in Peachtree City, which is right. So I must say, hit up parts that they shipped it back out again. But come on now. Could have been riding. Trying to see if I can do this without taking my damn tank off. Yeah, man, so you see the difference. Look at this guy here. And look at this guy here. They got a couple scratches in it, but I'm putting a little screwdriver in there. Straighten them up. You just go get your little small screwdriver. Just get in between there. Straighten them up a tad bit. You know, it ain't really nothing too much. But anyway, you see the difference. Get them on now. Yeah, so you gotta get them little rubber clamps out. Your old radiator, you can get on the new one. As you see, cause they don't come with them. So yeah, you just like push it down, rotate it real gentle so you don't rip them up, cause they is rubber. And you just push it on up out of there. Boom. Get it out. Throw it on the other side, just like this. Follow your pattern. Easy.
So instead of learning how to do something productive, they try to take the easier way out. Crime is not the easier way. Crime is the fastest way. You will get locked up if you're a dumb motherfucker.
Got them.
But
Got
try
the
to
new
look
one. Hold
up
on.
successful criminals. Usually you can't because if
Shout out to Kid 1090 Jake down there in Florida. My boy got no real chain gang stories for you. But anyway, yeah, man. New radiators in there. New hoses. You see the blue. You see the, yeah, man. Yeah. See them hoses new. Radiator new. Stop playing with them. What's going on, gang? Another good day out here. You know what I'm saying? Feeling good. Head to toe, you know. But anyway, oh, let me close my door and shit. Anyway, I'm about to head to this store. One more day. One more day, and the pump will be here tomorrow. I'm waiting. So until then, I did have a, I went and got that cooling off, antifreeze, you know, for the bike. Then I thought about it. I was like, you know what? The new radiators just came. So I was like, F that. We're gonna go ahead and take that back, go back with the maximum ice. You know what I'm saying? Maximum icy. And then, yeah. So we better go to that store. Cycle gear on the way, my dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, boy, as they went on that road in that barrel and then hit them phone. Tripping. They made it up, yo. Got a couple of bikes on here posted. Oh shit. Left my man. Do it every time. So sick of this man shit. Okay then. Sound like New York though. Engine nice. That's not being on. Give me some water pump come tomorrow, but I'm so goddamn ready to shower. I'm so goddamn ready to ride. Yeah, man, so we just swapped that out. But put on that can thing. Just swapped it out. Then got that ice. You know what I'm saying? So now, it's time for me to get that gas. At the car wash, gang, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta go ahead and get this thing crispy. The girl come back in town in the morning. She come in town in the morning and, oh shit, break my leg. And my new park come in town in the morning. So yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful, great day for all of us. So yeah, I gotta get baby whipped clean. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. You did that. The toothbrush.
Guy, you need to get this toothbrush. It's so awesome. It tells you when you're done and you start.
Okay, I got a timer, yeah.
When you need this.
Yes, sir. It's bright and early, gang. Yeah, I know. If I'm smiling. I mean, I done got something in here. Y'all been looking at these videos. We've been going through too much. I'm not finna sit here and document me. Put this part in this damn case. I done it. Alright, y'all. So, I got the new one and the old one. So, as you can see, it's the new propeller. It's metal. It's the old propeller. It's plastic. This one you can't take off. You wonder why? That's your ignitor. But I didn't know. I just brought the new case, and, you know, I thought, shit, let me swap out the old pump and put it in the new case like any natural human being would do, right? Okay. Just checking. But yeah, as y'all see, it didn't line up. It was too long, and the dimensions was just slightly off. That's the shit you come across. Boom, just like that, y'all. He on there. I told y'all I want him to play. The new one's on. Yeah, that look right. When I popped it in, it just pop. Just got in there. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Parzilla. Alright, so I got the new water pump in now. I can feel it grabbing the gears. Just got that linkage connected. You know what I'm saying? Got him sitting on that rod. Right in that, you see it right in that groove, man. Right up in there. Yeah. Pro taper clutch activated. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, we Gucci. No leaky. Yeah, man. Yeah, see the little paint job, man. I gotta clean it up a little bit, but yeah, man. I ain't break the new paint job because I got a little worried. I thought I was missing a part, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's looking good, y'all. I done put some test drops in there to make sure it ain't leaking out. I don't see no leakage so far. You know what I'm saying? You see that blue ice going in the blue bike? Top of the juice, top of the line juice. Uh-oh. Talk to me. Brand new radiators. But yeah, man. So I got the exhaust off and throw it on, you know what I'm saying? You see what I got going on, man. FMM shorty guy. I got the pro circuit on here. Yes, Mitch, man. Stop playing. I got the brand new FMF right there. The gold fatty. The gold fatty right here. Stop playing. Brand new ski, not even used yet. Peekaboo. Never know we back. Must be too early. I was still in the break-in process before this happened. Wow, that happened. So, yeah, man, I still gotta finish my break-in process to be real. Hey, Yamalu. I like to use this. I can see the measurements though. You did. I can see that measurement with this one. And that way we be. Because there's gonna be some breakdown. Ooh, they got dang. That compression so on point though. I ain't trying to rebuild the bike and lose the top. There we go. That's all I needed. Alright. I'm finna change these shoes. I got gas in them already. I got to shake it and rock it, make them wake up. This thing is sitting. break-in juice, man. You hear it, baby? I ain't finna go crazy on it. I'm gonna let it do its thing.
Play it, count it, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17, got my first stick. 18, hit my first lick.